From selling drops, Grater cakes, and gizzards on the streets of Portland, to building his own house and inspiring thousands online. With help from Colaz Smith TV, J.A.T started his own YouTube channel, and it took off. Now, he's not just baking, he is building a legacy and lifting his community too. From hustle to homeowner, this is what real Jamaican grind looks like. J.A.T the Baker, proof that greatness can rise from humble beginnings. Follow, like, and share. Turn on your notification bell if you believe in dreams and hard work. Until our next video, do take care.